Hey, how's it going, guys? Today we're once again taking a look at another Converge figure, but this time it's not a Gundam. It is from the Converge Mechanics line, where they do kind of other different things sometimes. Not very often, but this is from Virtual-On. This is the Virtuaroid Temjin. I'm not really too familiar with Virtual-On at all as a series. I know they do make some model kits of it as well. They're kind of a little bit too crazy colored for my taste, but maybe someday I might check one of those out. They do look pretty interesting anyway. But yeah, this is a small little Converge figure. As you guys know, I love Converge figures, and so I'm going to be checking this one out. Bandai came out with the two of these. This one, and there's like a different red one. Anyway, I got this one. May pick up the red one as well someday, but I'll check this one out first. They're both cool, I'm sure, but they're just a little bit more expensive. This was like around $20, I want to say. So yeah, that's going to be a lot for this little thing, but it does look pretty intricately painted. As I mentioned, this Virtual-On, in my mind, when I think of Virtual-On, I just think about all of these crazy colors. They're just colors all over the place. So a lot of painting involved in just the production of these. So I can see kind of why they're a little bit more expensive for that reason. But yeah, not going to be for the faint of hearts. Basically, if you're a really big fan of the series, or you're a really big fan of stuff like this, like me, then you might be interested, but otherwise maybe not. So we'll take a look at this. Here on the top you can see it just says select your Virtuaroid. Again, it's a reference to the game or animation or something, I don't really know, but okay. On the back, just showing a little bit of details about that, just another photograph of the kit. Let's just get it open. I always say kit when I mean to say figure, or some people have corrected me saying statue. Anyway, it's coming with the same base that we see from the recent Converge mobile suit Gundam kits. There's some parts there, look like, I think those are kind of for the backpack, sort of. We of course have our Bandai chewing gum, thank you for that. And then a few parts here. Basically, it's like the main body, a couple of smaller parts, and then the kind of weapon part is secure in this thing to keep it safe. We do also get a small little instruction thing for just showing how to put it together. Don't think we'll really need that, but thanks anyway. Okay, and then put together, here it is. A couple things that I'm noticing right off the bat. Again, the pre-painting on this is pretty insane. There's just pre-painting, just little bits all over the place. It all looks pretty fantastic. I do think that I'll still go in and just do some panel lining on this kit, so I'll do a little bit more work on this eventually. One thing I want to show you here on the backpack is that you get two different options for these kind of whatever these are here on the back, a closed version and an open version. I just wanted to show you guys both so you can see the open version even has that cool pre-painting there even on the inside, which looks pretty cool. So for mine, I'm going to, of course, just stick with the open version. I think that looks the best. This one's a little bit bent, but we'll be able to sort that out. Also, I forgot how awesome it is that these have a Sega Dreamcast for a backpack. I'm guessing that's something related to the game or something, but that's pretty awesome too if you guys are like nostalgic fans of the Dreamcast, like I am. And so this looks really cool. I really like the gun as well. Very nice. That's just needing a little bit more detailing up. Again, just panel lining around on this kit should be nice. As far as the articulation and everything, some parts like do move. You can move the arms and legs. You can move the head like a little bit off to the side or something if you wanted to do like that, but they're not really meant to be articulated. They're just meant to just stand there, look nice. One thing I'll show you too, up underneath the feet, just all the detail there up underneath the feet as well is pretty crazy. Another thing about the base too, the base has like more of a texture to it, whereas the normal Gundam ones are just kind of very smooth, flat. This one is a little bit more textured, so I'm not sure if that's on purpose or if maybe the next series of Gundam ones we'll get will also be like that. I'm not sure, but very cool. This is really interesting. One thing I do also want to check is how this reacts to black light, because with all the different little bright colors on there, it would be really cool if it lights up really brightly under black light, under UV light. Let's check though, and it looks like maybe not much of any reaction at all. That's unfortunate, but I mean, it's unfortunate if you're one of the maybe people watching who has a setup with UV light in it or something. But anyway, very, very cool Converge figure. Worth the price? I'm not sure. That depends on you, but I'm glad I picked up one. I'm not sure if I'm really going to be in a big hurry to pick up the other one, but if I come across it and the price is right, then possibly. But I think this is pretty cool. If you guys agree, then you should try it out. Hope this video has been helpful if you were looking for some information about this particular little figure. It's really cool. And leave any other further questions and comments you guys might have down in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.
Thanks for watching. See you next time.